Tonight, Portland Public Schools is creeping ever closer toward a teacher strike, and this evening, the state's largest district held a meeting for families to talk contingencies if educators walk out. Alma McCarty is in the newsroom. So, Alma, still no deal here.
And not a lot of options, David, it sounds like, for parents, because after months of contract negotiations between the district and the union that represents more than 4,000 educators, we are potentially less than 2 weeks out from a strike.
We recognize that the job of an educator is different today. We also understand that the needs of our students have continued to grow as well.
And due to those changes, teachers in Oregon's largest school system have been pushing the district for more funds and more resources. Administrators pushing back, reporting a $228 million difference between the district's proposal and the union's proposal. The district's bargaining team putting that into perspective.
There is not enough money in administration if we cut all of administration and had no central services to bridge the gap in the PAT proposal and the PPS proposal.
The latest bargaining session Tuesday, which included an adjustment around cost of living salary increases, once again coming up short.
We have repeatedly asked the Portland Association teachers for a short list of their priorities, and they've continued to say that it's a comprehensive package. And you know what they say about that: when everything is a priority, then is anything really a priority, or is nothing the priorities?
PAT firing back, issuing a statement that reads, in part, when the district is ready to talk seriously about smaller class sizes, wage increases that keep up with cost of living so teachers can stay and work in the district, increased mental health and special education staff to support our students, we will bargain into the night. So with a strike that could impact thousands of teachers and tens of thousands of families potentially less than 2 weeks away,
the district will have no choice but to close schools to students until the strike ends.
PPS answered questions from concerned parents during a virtual meeting Wednesday night.
A number of questions here about contingency.
With the options limited, including access to self-directed lessons from home and grab-and-go meals that will be available to families who qualify. And while varsity sports will continue, other extracurriculars are out.
We plan to remain at the bargaining table for as long as necessary to reach a solution and avoid a strike.
PPS also fielded a lot of questions this evening from parents who support the teachers and the teachers union. Right now, the union is voting to authorize a strike. If they give it a go, based on the required notice period, we could see Portland teachers striking a week from Monday. David?
And I'm sure you will be keeping us posted on all of that. Thank you, Alma.